This simple TikTok account made $95,000 plus with one single video through the TikTok Shop affiliate program. How is that even possible? In this video, I'll reveal exactly how they did it. TikTok has turned into a money-making machine and is undoubtedly the most profitable business to start right now. While the creativity program went viral recently, it's not very scalable. It's inconsistent and nearly impossible to earn over $10K per month with one account. Today, I'll introduce a brand new method to make thousands of dollars each month through the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Before moving forward, do comments and tell us, have you ever tried TikTok to promote any product? What strategies have you used? And what were your results? So I was sitting on my couch in the middle of the night scrolling on X, and then I came across this post from a guy named Cow. He tweeted that this AI-generated TikTok make $97,000 in sales. I thought, what the hell? $97,000? Where does it come from? What did they sell? I gotta know how. So I looked at it.
The reason you feel so sick and tired every single day is the same reason you are so unproductive. It all comes down to one root cause. You are not giving your body the love it deserves. So here are the top 3 natural supplements for your best health.
As you can see, they're selling this vitamin supplement through the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Each time someone clicks this button and makes a purchase, the account earns a commission. This video alone generated $97,000 in sales with a 20% commission, meaning the creator made nearly $20,000 from just one video. Guess you're starting to see why this is better than the creativity program. Those numbers are incredible, and what's even more impressive is that it was all done using AI. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the exact same thing. And you know what? I'm tired of sitting behind the same boring desk every single video. It's about time I become something better. Let's head over to this website called Data, where you can find out how much this specific account is making. As you can see, they're actually consistently making $2,000 per month. Tell me the answer of one question in comments. From which website do you find viral products like this and sell them? Head back to Data and click on Product at the top. You'll find numerous viral products and see how much they've generated through the TikTok Shop. Next, select the Health category. This will show you various vitamin supplements that are currently selling very well. For example, the top product has generated over $4 million, which is astonishing. This account, right here, has generated a lot of money. I almost can't believe it. This account earns more than $150,000 from this one product. So now that we have our product, it's time to create the video. But wait, just like the creativity program, TikTok Shop is only available in a few selected countries like the US, UK, and Germany. I refuse to believe that there isn't a way to bypass this problem. So before I made this video, I sat down and did some heavy research, and I actually found a way. What you want to do is head over to this website called USTT account. You get yourself a US TikTok account. This way, TikTok won't know your actual location, and you'll have access to both the TikTok Shop and the creativity program. Nothing's more frustrating than having your account shadow banned. To prevent this, you need to warm up your account. Spend some time each day using the app like a regular user. Like videos, this signals to TikTok that you're not a bot. Additionally, read the instructions on the website to avoid TikTok suspecting you're not actually in the US. Now that we've covered that, let's focus on creating our viral video using AI. You need to put in the effort, and I'll guide you through finding a video idea, writing a script, doing a voiceover, editing, and adding sound effects. Here's the account I mentioned earlier, and this is the viral formula I've developed after analyzing all their videos. There's a script consisting of the hook, storytelling, and CTA, the voiceover from 11 Labs, then image generation with Leonardo AI, and finally editing with captions, sound effects, and sound design. So the first and most important part of a viral video is the script, especially the hook, something that makes the viewer want to watch the entire video. We're actually not going to use AI for this since it rarely turns out good. First and foremost, we got to trigger curiosity, something that makes the viewer feel like they need to know what's about to happen next. For example,
there are 3 spring style mistakes that most men make. Number 1 is still wearing the black turtleneck when it's hot outside. Instead, you want to wear a short sleeve textured polo that's lightweight and breathable like this one.
Did you see that? The first line made the viewer wonder what 3 things they shouldn't be wearing in summer, so they most likely stayed longer than they'd usually do. Another thing to have in mind is to call the viewer out, like this.
This is why you've been failing exams even though you've been studying for hours. You see, reading and highlighting feels better in the moment because you feel like you're learning, but you're not actually retaining any of the information, or you're retaining very little. Whereas actively testing yourself,
You see how a lot of people would feel like the video was talking to them personally, which unknowingly makes you think, yeah, I can relate to that. I'll keep watching this. So I sat down all of my knowledge and came up with this hook. For the next part, head over to ChatGPT to create the script, because after all, it's AI automation, right? You want to prompt something like this. Then generate it a couple of times until you get the script you like. Copy the script and paste it into a Google document. Then separate each paragraph line by line. For the voiceover, if you have a great voice, you can record it yourself with a microphone. But assuming you don't, head over to 11 Labs. In the voice library, choose a voice you like. I'll use Marcus for this example. Paste your script and click Generate. Once your voiceover is ready, download it using the button on the right. For image creation, head over to Leonardo AI. Since the first line in our script is, "Do you feel lost in life?" we want to create an image of a person that looks lost and confused. Make sure to do the settings I'm using right now. Here you want to enter this exact prompt. Create a 3D ultra-realistic image of a man with a shocked face that looks lost with nature in the background. As you can see, the results look pretty good. Now you want to repeat this process on every line throughout the entire script. Now I'll do the video editing part in CapCut. Let's start off by enhancing the voiceover. Drag it to the timeline and cut out all the pauses. Then overlap the clips with just a couple of frames and repeat this throughout the entire voiceover. This is called a J-cut, and it'll give the video a faster pace and make it more engaging. Now we need to click on Ratio and choose the TikTok format, which is 9:16. Now after that, let's import all the Leonardo AI images and add them to the timeline one by one, making sure that each image covers one line, just like this. Also, repeat this process on all the images, and your video should look something like this by now. Next, highlight the clip and click on Animations on the right. I prefer using a combo animation like this one. Simply click on it and adjust it to cover the entire clip. Repeat this process for the rest of the clips. It's looking great, but you won't find a viral video without captions. In the top left, click on Text, then on Captions. Choose a language and press Create. Review the captions for any spelling mistakes and correct any errors or missing parts CapCut didn't generate. Now let's add animated captions. On the right, click on Templates and pick one you like. I'll choose a high-paced one. This instantly enhances the video. I recommend sticking with the same caption style to brand your account. Now we're just missing the biggest virality hack, sound effects. Sound effects, if used right, basically force the viewer to watch it for longer. Go to the website called Pixabay and download sound effects you like. Once you've added those, you need some music. Here you can add a trending song or download any music from Pixabay you think fits the video. Don't make the music too loud, so click on Export and make sure you export it in 1080p. If you've watched all the way here, I assume you're serious about this TikTok automation opportunity.
Do you feel lost in life, or you just don't feel like yourself anymore? Try a natural supplement with senna, Cascara sagrada, and psyllium husk. Senna gently stimulates your bowels for regular movements. Cascara sagrada supports overall digestive health. Psyllium husk provides soluble fiber, aiding digestion and helping you feel fuller longer. Together, they promote better digestion.
So subscribe our channel and on notification button for more videos like this.